Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one very interesting problem taken from lead code problem number 392, and problem title is subsequence. Okay, that is, you will be given two string. You have to check whether a particular string is subsequence of other string or not. Question says, given a string S and a string T, check whether S is subsequence of T or not. So what is the difference in between subsequence and substring, or subsequence and subarray? Subarray, in subarray or substring, the elements or the characters should be consecutive of each other. But here in case of subsequence, the order does not matter. They can be in any order. Okay, like you here in example I will show you. First let us complete the problem statement. You may assume that there is only lowercase English letter in both S and T. T is potentially very long, like here length is given, and S is short string. A subsequence of a string is a new string which is formed from the original string by deleting some, can be none, or of the characters without disturbing the relative position of the remaining character. Okay, so what it says, read it again. A subsequence of a string is a new string which is formed from the original string by deleting some, or it can be none, of the characters without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters. For example, ACE is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E. Why? See, here A we are taking, we are deleting B, then we are taking the next character C, then we are deleting D, then we are taking the next character E. So basically ACE is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E. See, it is relative position is not changed. C is not coming before A. C here also in this string, C is coming after A. In this original string, here also C is coming after A. That is, relative position is not changed, but we are removing one or multiple characters in between two characters, and we are getting this string, right? While AEC is not a substring. See, AEC, why this is not a substring? A, okay, fine. Then we are taking E, the last character. Okay, fine. But then we cannot take any character from the middle. But see, we are taking the middle character C. So relative order is changing here, so that AEC is not a substring of subsequence of ABCDE. Okay. So for example, ABC, next string is AHBGDC. Okay, return true. Why? See, first we are taking A, then we are removing H and we are taking B, and then we are removing G and D, then we are taking C. So relative position is unchanged, just we are removing one or multiple characters in between two characters, and we are getting ABC. So return true. Okay. For example, AXC and next string is AHBGDC. So see, A we are taking the first character, then X. X is not present in the second string itself. So obviously this particular first string cannot be substring of the second. So return false. Okay. Now you need to write one algorithm and code which can be used to solve this particular problem. Try to solve this particular problem, pause my video and try one attempt. Okay, if you stuck or unable to solve this, I am explaining, no need to worry. Okay, but please have a try before going to the solution. So what we can do, we can traverse in our first string, we will extract one by one character. We will check whether that particular character is present in the second string or not. If it is not present, then the first string cannot be substring of the second one. If the character of the first string is present in the second string, then we will find its index, right? And for the next iteration, we will basically slice our second string from that particular index to the end. And for next iteration, we will find in that newly sliced second string whether that particular second character or next character of the first string is present in that or not. Okay, like that we will go. Like here we can do simple iteration, like A index is here, right? So next time we will slice from second position to end, and we will find B is present in that or not. When we will find B here, okay, so we will slice this particular part, that is GDC, and we will find whether C is present in or not. Okay, like that we will go. So what we can write the code, very simple. We can define one variable G equal to 0, which will be which will take non-zero value when our condition will not satisfy. Then we will traverse in our first string, and then we will check whether if it is present in our second string or not. If int if present, then what we will do, we will find out the index. Okay, so rs equal to t dot index. Okay, index position, suppose I am taking. Okay, then we will slice for the next iteration rs plus 1 to end. Okay, this in this particular sliced part we will find our next character of s is present or not. Okay, if the condition is not satisfied, then in that case else g equal to g plus 1. Okay, or you can write like g plus equal to 1. Anything you can do according to your choice. Okay, then after the traversal of completion of the for loop, we will check if g equal to 0, then in that case we will return true. Okay, that is first one is a subsequence of second, else return false. Okay, that's all. Let us run the code and check whether it is applied on our sample test case or not. Okay, so see, for this particular sample test case ABC and AHBGDC, output is true, our code output is true, and expected is also true. Now let us submit and check whether it is passing all the hidden test cases or not. See here, status is success, that means it is successfully applied on all the hidden test cases also, it passed all the test cases. Okay, so this is how you can apply the slicing concept of string, which I have already discussed in my previous video, for solving lots of competitive programming or placement interview question which may appear on the topic string data structure. Okay, so I hope you have understood this algorithm. Practice more and more problems based on the concepts, based on the methods, based on the functions, whatever I have discussed on string. It will surely help you in your placement process. Okay, this is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, because your valuable feedback will help us to improve further. And if you find our channel helpful, then don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed till now, and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.